Hey guys, it's E-Kids here. Today I'll be doing a video of my brother and sister unboxing their Snoofs from my amazing uncle Adam Kreutinger. His channel will be linked in the description. Please like, comment, subscribe, and head over to his channel, give him a little subscribe, and go to his latest video and comment, Z-Kids sent me. He won't know why until he watches this video. So yeah, in 3, 2, 1. I also brought Barry Allen, Bloof the Snoof, with me to see their unboxings and go.
Hello, we are very excited to see our own Snoofs.
Ready? Let's unbox.
Yes, we've
Let's
been
do this.
waiting.
Let's see what's in the box. I wonder what they'll look like.
And I think this is your sister, Barry Allen. Bloof the Snoof.
Bloof the Snoof. Get it right next time.
Excuse me.
She looks very,
Pictures. Cute.
nice, yeah. Who is this dude?
I don't know.
Are you my brother?
Oh, look at these. I think these are the codes. Let's check them out.
Let's check all the things in the box now.
We also got some pins. Some nice ones. These pins are stuck. Never mind.
These are the pins from Kreutinger Puppets. Kreutinger Puppets.
We got some of these.
And then this is some puppets he made. My person that I made an interview with a few months ago, actually, during Christmas time. Very nice. You should subscribe.
We're going to make more videos with our Snoofs.
We will.
Maybe.
And then this is where he's on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook. Join me as we learn about and explore the art of puppeteer. Adam Kreutinger. At Adam Kreutinger. Get a free pattern at adamkreuninger.com. Awesome. This also says Puppeteers Podcast. He also does podcasts, how-tos, original videos, and play like a pro. You should subscribe to this channel and his channel, link in the description, and we will see more videos with that Snoof. I don't know the names yet. And this Snoof together in one video. We will see if it's good. Ready? Good.